This is another adventure of Lydibug
and Hayleebee.
And today we're going to be opening some KNex Super Mario Series 6. And the blind bags. I'm so excited. And we already have these three. We have the Paragoomba, Golden Mario, and the Boo. Let's get started. Okay, this one's harder. Well, how did you do that? Could you help me? Yeah. Let's see what I got Luigi.
And I got Daisy.
Oh, yay.
Finally, you got Princess.
Well, it's the only princess on there, so it's kind of hard. I'm gonna start building Luigi.
So, building Daisy.
Luigi's huge. Here's Luigi. Lydibug. And he is a raccoon, but technically he's a fox right now.
And here's Daisy.
Yay! Let's do another one.
So where's those?
Ooh, this one feels big. That's not good.
This one feels small.
This one, this one might be. This one might be one that we already have. Oh, look at the one. Oh, it's the Paragoomba. Ah, man. But don't worry. It's just going to make the level more fun.
And I got
the Hammer Brother.
No. Hammer Brother.
Can I help you? Oh, wait. What was it? Oh, wait, this. Wrong way. Okay.
How do you do this?
Don't worry.
Why is there another one?
This for his tail.
Oh, tail.
I think they just designed it like that to. Oh no! Hold on. This is not working. Okay. There. Put his head on. His neck is already at the turtle. Put the arms like that. Ah!
It's fine. We can put it on later.
And here's the Hammer Brother. That was just to get him on.
Okay. Now let me cut this and you open it, okay?
Okay. Let's see what it is. This one you definitely have to build. It's Raccoon Mario!
Yes! Raccoon.
Does that mean we got all of them? Yay! We got all of them! Okay, you build this part, I build this part, and then we'll connect it together. Yay! We did it! We completed the series! Yay!
There's a different series?
Sorry if Daisy's head is cut off. Just from scissors. Here, let me see. And here's the rest of there.
Daisy's head. Oh. His head feels weird. It feels squishy.
Squishy. You ready? Let's connect them. Yay! We got Raccoon Mario! Oh no! Not the Hammer Brother! Oh, his legs not. Oh yeah, his legs kind of move, but not really.
No, not this.
Thanks for watching!